All right, Matt, what are we doing now?
Right now, we're going to change the oil in the tank. And again, using our original tool.
All right, now that we're down here laying on the ground in a dignified manner.
Most dignified. All right. Well, first, this is the drain plug.
Okay.
It sits right underneath the transmission, and this is all one piece. And then the hogshead on the top separates, and you can separate the block. But so here's our drain plug. Here's how you check the oil levels when you're doing your daily maintenance. And if it looks wet underneath here, like it's got an oil leak, it's 97 years old. Give me a break. So,
right,
you turn the top one, and if nothing comes out, you need more oil, like we do. You turn the bottom one, and you got enough oil to get you home. And then you have trouble closing it and let all the oil out. There we go. There we go. So those are the two little ball check valves, so you can tell where you're at. All right, let's get this drain plug off and make a mess. Go.
there we go.
Yeah, she used a little bit of oil. So let her drain for a little bit.
Okay.
But she'll get it all out. All right. Well, now that we drained all the oil out of it, we got to fill it back up. Here is the oil fill cap, excuse me, and it's not threaded because there's no pressure on the side of the motor, just in the head. It's the oil, obviously no pump. It's all by lap, and it just gets splashed around the motor and picked up by the valves and all that good stuff. So we'll set this off to the side. Put our handy pump.
What are we putting in it?
10W30. Just the standard oil.
What are we doing with this?
So that's how we know that we've got enough oil in it. We open the top petcock, you fill it until it starts to come out. And I like to see a steady stream so that way you know that it's just above that petcock.